Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Facebook account. So for this, click on here, then go to setting and privacy, then go to setting. From here you will see this option, personal detail. Go to here and then go to personal details. You will find this option, account ownership and control. Select this one, then deactivation or deletion. Click on this option, then select your profile that you want to delete. Here you will see two options, one is deactivate and other one is delete account. As I want to delete this account, I will choose this one, delete account, then continue. You can choose any of these options from here, then click on continue, then continue. Once the deletion process has begun, you not to deactivate your account. Okay, so if you delete your account, you do not able to get it. So if you want, you can save all this information in your computer before delete your account. After that, click on continue, then you have to type your password, then click on continue. Confirm permanent account deletion, click on delete account. This is how you can delete your Facebook account permanently. Thanks for watching.